Hey guys, so I'm out here working on a driveway for my neighbor actually. I came home the other day and I saw that he had some gravel dropped off over in the side of his drive. And so I had my skid steer was just sitting over at the house, not doing much work this week. So I thought I want to go ahead and offer to spread that around for him. And so I'm going to send the drone up and grab some footage of that and see if we can't get this thing cleaned up and repaired in the next little bit. Here's a before view of the driveway. You can see that the gravel has settled quite a bit. There's a lot of dirt and grass in the driveway. There's several low spots as well. So I'm going to work to take out all of the low spots. I'm going to work to bring the old gravel back to the surface. And then of course I'm going to spread the new gravel around quite a bit to make it flush and to make it just look extra clean. All right, so let's get into it. You guys can tell by the dust that it's just billowing off of this driveway that it is incredibly dry out right now. We haven't had rain in some time, and so the driveway is settled down. There's a ton of dust from this gravel, which is a limestone product in our area. Shout out to my 7th grade science class. We just finished covering the rock cycle and types of rocks. So yeah, when I finished this driveway, the whole area was just in a big cloud, and I was completely covered in dust. It was a big mess. And of course, I've got to pause for just a minute to check on the drone, and the remote keeps sliding around inside the skid steer, so I had to pick that up again. guys can already tell that just by cleaning up the gravel that was already here, it's refurbishing very nicely. I believe that I probably don't even need to access or use any of the gravel that he's already got, or that he just got delivered. So I think that I'm gonna go ahead and finish spreading the gravel that I cleaned up, kind of just refurbish the whole driveway, and then use the new gravel to build up his parking pad over there a little bit. We'll see what we might end up with. Guys, here's the finished product. Look at that. No, I'm just kidding. Obviously it's dark, but I'm gonna come out here tomorrow and get some final views of it. Well, that's all for this job. The driveway cleaned up nicely, and if you guys enjoyed the video and would like to see more like it, hit the like and subscribe button.